总统赖清德、副总统萧美琴今仔早起接见立陶宛的前总统戈宝斯凯德，伊感谢立陶宛长期对台湾的支持哦。另外，国防部嘛公布讲，昨有7架次的中共军舰，甲4架次的海警船伫台海的附近活动。新的团队上任，台海是真敏感哦。美国国防部嘛呼吁讲，中国就唔通顺势来威胁台湾。国务卿布林肯嘛强调讲，美国会团结各国，做伙来维护台海的和平稳定。
立陶宛前总統戈寶斯凱德伫9個月內第2遍訪問台灣，慶賀總統賴清德加副總統蕭美琴就職，展現台日友好關係。
Smaller countries which are living in neighborhood of large ones, sometimes not very friendly. We know how to survive. We know how to be and become resilient, and we know how to fight for ourselves. This we can learn from each other. We can exchange our experiences, and we can support each other.
非常接近的，也有新任的国安会秘書長吳釗燮，國安會官網也更簡介資料。不過，諮詢委員的名單內面，這個無原本公務要責任，不過不因為牽涉到警察特科社隊風波的台大法律系教授強宏池。對此，總統府回應講，強宏池經過各方面的考慮了，完成出任無記者國安職位的邀請。 不過，國安事務是無空窗期。國防部公布2月規工偵曉7台次的強艦，加4台次中共的海警船佇台海周邊活動。這是國防部第一遍公布海警船動態。拄好賴清德上任，台海情勢真敏感。美國國防部希望中國方面唔通借機會升懸情勢。
We've urged the PRC not to use the election as a pretext for escalation. We've seen them used increased naval activity as a pressure tactic to include in the South China Sea. We remain concerned about those kinds of activities. We've raised that directly with the PRC.
We've brought countries around the world together to stand up for maintaining peace and stability across the Taiwan Strait, to make sure that China does not engage in any unilateral actions that change the status quo.
美國國務卿布林肯是強調，美國方面繼續伫咧團結各國，維護台海和平穩定。耶拿夫國務卿坎貝爾伫咧會見訪問美國嘅意大利外交部秘書長，討論印太事務聯動，維持台海加南海和平穩定，是美國意大利共同優先嘅工作。記者綜合報道。